Today we're gonna do some target practicing and got my lever type action air gun and a nice revolver. So the revolver we're gonna shoot at cans, and that gun we're gonna try on some targets as well. Alright, you ready? This gun is real precise. It's very accurate. I love it. It's made by Walther. And it's real powerful too. Take this gun from my cold dead hands, man. Let's drink some of that booze. Let's drink some of that Dom Perignon that I just shot. Come on, guys. Nice. As you can see, it goes right through nicely. Alright guys, let's shoot some cans. Now from the porch. Nice. Alright guys, let's shoot some Coca-Cola cans. And the yogurt. Nice. This is a very accurate gun made by Crossman. Alright, let's do some cowboy shooting. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you. This is a Crossman Revolver. It's powered by CO2. It's got pellets. So let me show you how to get it open and load it as well. So the button you press here, okay, opens up the drum, and here's the place you put the pellets in. These are typical Diablo airgun pellets. The drum takes 10 flatheads or other pellets or Diablo type. It may be pointed ones too. You can see there's still plenty of space in the mag, so they're not sticking out. We got the bullets in. Let's close the gun up. Alright, now the CO2. The CO2 goes in the butt. Let me get a CO cartridge in, and we can go and shoot outside. We're gonna do some target practicing. Alright, the gun is ready, so you can see it's on the safety. Now if you put it out, then we can just go and fire it. Alright, I also got a Winchester-like lever rifle made by Walther, and it's also CO2 powered. Let me show you where the mag goes. Alright, you put it in here, you load it full of Diablo pellets, and you're almost ready to shoot. The CO2 goes in the butt. Alright. Alright, let's load the drum up. as you can see, you can buy extra ones. I got 4 mags here. So, if you want to shoot fast, that's it. Alright, let's close the chamber. When you pull the lever, you're actually ready to shoot.